The Live Good effect is here. Are you ready to be part of the next big thing in network marketing? Listen up, because the message you're about to hear will be a game changer. The network marketing industry is booming. $180 billion in global revenue, 116 million distributors worldwide. But let me tell you, Live Good isn't just another name in the mix. We're setting the industry on fire. We've smashed records, hitting 1 million members in just 13 months, faster than Amazon. And guess what? We're just getting started. Imagine this, the highest quality certified by the USDA organic products at the lowest prices anywhere. People are getting healthier, saving money, and ranking up like never before. Over 4,000 rank advancements just last week. That's unheard of in this industry. And now, we're about to ignite social media with powerful product funnels, ads, emails, landing pages, a co-op, and more. This next wave of growth is set to bring in another 20 to 30 million members in just a few years. And here's the best part. You can get in now, before all that growth explodes. Whether you're a top earner in your current company or just getting started, Live Good is your ticket to something big. You don't need to shift your focus. Just secure your spot and share it with others. Everyone you know is going to hear about Live Good. They might as well hear it from you. Look at some of our products: organic coffee, super greens, CBD oil. These are high-quality organic supplements at unbeatable prices. We're talking $17.95 for organic coffee, $18 for super greens, $14.95 for CBD oil, all backed by a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Check out our multivitamins. Vitamin D3, K2, Ultra Magnesium Complex. Most of us do not get these vitamins and minerals in our daily foods. We all need these nutrients daily. Our highest quality and affordable prices sets us apart from other direct sales companies. So what's the worst case scenario? You save a ton of money, get healthier, and try the best products on the market. Best case, you save money, get in the best shape of your life, and make some extra cash on the side. With Live Good, nobody loses. Don't miss this opportunity. Get back with the person that shared this film with you. Grab your position, try some products, and watch what happens. Join Live Good today and be part of the Live Good effect.
Thank you, Absby. Okay, so sa lahat ng mga nang-rank advance, no? Kasi natapos yung April cut-off, I think 1 p.m. Kanina. So sa mga nag-rank advance, congratulations. And ngayon, tuloy tayo sa ating business, no? In fact, schedule natin tonight is business presentation, no? Sa Live Good, and nagpasalamat ako sa kay Mentor B, no, to give me a space, no, sa schedule sa entire month na at least bigay tayo ng oras na makapag-present din dito sa LGECI. Okay, so siguro guys, check ko lang kung may mga sa mga guest natin or sa mga hindi pa member or affiliate ni Live Good, no, pwede ba nating makita? Can I see some participation dito, guys, para at least di tayo makatulog? Can you type 1 kung dito sa chat box kung kayo ay nandito sa Zoom ay hindi pa members or affiliate ni Live Good. Okay, so paki-type 1 doon dito sa yun. So let's guys, no? Mga bagong guest ito. Actually guys, no, ang napaka-simple na negosyo natin. Ang kailangan lang natin is yung GPS. We don't need actually to do this business face to face kasi may technology na tayo, no? Pwede natin itong i-maximize yung technology, maximize natin yung oras natin, lahat ng mga resources natin i-gamitin natin para at least maging effective tayo. For me, kung wala itong ganitong platform like Zoom, siguro it would be hard for me na sumali sa ganitong business. Kahit sabihin ko pa na napakaganda ng opportunity, which is grabe, sobrang ganda ng opportunity natin, pero kung wala naman tayong support, wala naman tayong platform na ganito, no? So medyo mahirapan tayo kasi guys, galing din tayo diyan, no? Galing tayo sa mga typical na company na for the past last 6 years ago, nagretiro din tayo sa ganitong klase na business kasi yun na kung face to face palagi, yung income natin hindi talaga sapat, no, to sustain our business. Okay? So congratulations sa mga guest natin, sa mga hindi pa affiliate or member ni Live Good. So congratulations kasi once you understand this business, o baka tonight would be the deciding factor, triggering point na kayo ay sumali na ni Live Good, no? At suportahan natin itong mga events natin, no? Every day. Kasi ito lang yung gagawin natin is to plug in lang sa mga guest natin and to plug in ourselves, to plug in sa mga affiliate members and leaders natin sa mga training kasi kumpleto eh. Kumpleto yung ano natin, yung program natin for the week. May training, may recognition at sangkatutak na business presentation. Okay. So what we are going to discuss, no, tonight actually is a global digital business. So negosyo. Okay? Isit natin yung i-align natin yung mga minds natin guys na we are attending a business presentation, no? And isa sa mga challenge natin dito sa Zoom, Zoom has its own pros and cons. Ang pro dito, ang positive side is nasa bahay lang tayo, no? At pwede tayong makinig. We can save a lot of time and resources to do this business. Ang cons lang is hindi tayo magkikita-kita, no? Although we are in this room, pero we cannot see each other, no? Kasi it's kung i-on ang natin ang video lahat, baka bumagal din yung connection. So guys, it's up to us. It's up to us to concentrate. No, if you want to change your life, aralin natin itong business na to by trying to be focused during the entire presentation. I will promise, no, na tapusin natin ito na short period of time, no? Hindi natin paabutin ito ng 12:00 ng gabi. Okay, so this is a global business that I'm going to present, no? It is open in 200 plus countries, no? This is the future of commerce. No, this is unique kasi it is the future of commerce and pwede gawin sa bahay or pwede gawin kahit saan because it is portable and yung capital and OPEX natin to start and operate this business is very low. No, anyone can afford. Pero yung income, no, unlimited income potential niya is napakalaki and pwedeng gawing full-time or side hustle. And you don't need to be master or di natin kailangan yung business skills dito para sumali sa business na ito. And napaka-importante guys, nasa pioneering stage tayo, no? We are in a perfect timing in this business. And kung siseryosohin natin to, actually kaya natin kumita ng 50,000 plus per month in 4 months to 1 year. Di ba? Sino bang gustong kumita ng 50,000 pesos monthly extra in 4 months to 1 year? Paki-type A. Ibig sabihin ako. Okay? Sino ba gusto kumita ng extra 50,000 per month? 4 months to 1 year from now. Okay? So, paki-type A. Congratulations, coach. Ang mga nag-type A, no? Baka 2 buwan lang, mag 50,000 naman ta kayo. Napaka-simple ng business na ito, guys. Napaka-simple. Kailangan natin is maniwala. Maniwala lang at intindihin, stay positive, no? And then, let's pray for those na di pa nakita yung business. Okay? We don't need so much training, so much mindsetting sa business na to. Ginawang mas simple ito para sa lahat. Kaya siguro, because of the simplicity of this business, ay hindi nakita yung potential. Okay? But actually, nasa simplicity yung power. Okay? Tinanggal yung mga obstacles, tinanggal yung sobrang mahirap gawin na mga tanang anggulo sa business tinanggal, no, para magiging simple para sa lahat. But again, nasabi ko na kanina, because of its simplicity, parang it cause obstacle pa rin sa mga mata ng karamihan. Kaya guys, our job in this business is to educate, not to recruit, no? Educate people. Okay, we are not a recruiter, we are an educator, no? Para tayong financial educator. So yun, ang nag-type ng A, automatic yan. 50% na kayong kikita ng 50,000 4 months to 1 year from now. No? So, thank you for your participation. So, now, ang dami palang kumita. Ang gustong kumita ng 50,000 naman. Okay, so, itanong natin ulit for confirmation. Sinong gustong kumita? Sinong gustong kumita? So, of course, yung mga nag-type na A kanina, UA, gusto yung kumita. Pero my question is, alam ba natin kung paano kikita? Di ba? So, yun yung talagang dapat nating intindihin paano ba kikita yung isang tao. Di ba? According to my mentor, no? According to my mentor, there are 4 ways to earn. Okay? So parang ano lang tayo, discussion lang tayo about uh, how to make money ba. Business natin is very simple. Actually, I can explain it in less than 10 minutes eh. Yung negosyo natin. Kailangan lang maintindihan natin yung reason. At bakit kailangan natin ito at ano ba kaganda itong business natin. So, gusto nating kumita. Ang daming gustong kumita. Lahat nandito ngayon gustong kumita kasi number one, nag-sacrifice tayo. Nandito tayo ngayon sa room. No? Kung hindi tayo interesadong kumita, siguro may iba tayong ginagawa. Ang kailangan natin ngayon, tutok mo lang na to for the next 45 minutes about how to really make an extra income or yung income na gusto nating i-achieve. So, let me discuss briefly lang the 4 ways no to make money. No, number 1 is time. Time is a source of money. We generate income because of time, di ba? So, if we trade our time, kumita tayo, no? Example yan is employment. Ako, I was employed 14 years. There's nothing wrong with employment. In fact, we are ords, no? Tayong lahat, kung kumikita na tayo lalo dito sa lingkod, kailangan natin magkaroon ng negosyo. Kailangan natin mag-create ng business. If not all people will join this business, pwede tayong mag-create na another business for them. Okay? There's nothing wrong with employment. Pero, if you want to earn big, no? Medyo mahirap dito sa time. Kasi if you sell time, no? If you sell time, say for example sa Pilipinas, kung sweldo mo is ano lang, 20 pesos per hour lang sahod natin, halimbawa 20 pesos per hour times 8 natin yan, that's only 100 sabihin natin 100 pesos per hour times 8, so meron tayong 800 pesos per day, no? 800 pesos per day times okay, so 800 times 30, that's only 24,000 a month, diba? So 24,000 a month lang kikitain natin sa 100 per hour. So paano ba natin palakihin yung income natin sa source number 1, money making number 1? So pwede nating pataasin yung income natin sa method 1 by extending our work, no? Pwede tayo mag-overtime, guys. Pwede tayo mag-overtime, pwede natin pagandahin yung ating performance para magkaroon tayo ng promotion or pwede tayo lilipat ng company. Mag-scout tayo ng company na pwede magbigay sa atin ng magandang kita, no? See, for example, 200 pesos per hour. So yung iba hindi nakahanap sa Pilipinas, nandun sa ibang bansa, no? Yung mga bagong hero natin, ng mga OFW, no? So pumunta sa ibang bansa para doon magkaroon ng trabaho para kumita para naman sa pamilya dito sa Pilipinas. But guys, we cannot work 24 hours a day. No, we cannot work 24 hours a day. If we want to make money sa money making number 1, pwede natin kumita dito, pero yung pag-angat masyado, yung pag-asinso, yung pag-enjoy ng time freedom and financial freedom, malabo makuha natin dito sa sa money making number 1. Paano natin ma-enjoy yung time freedom kung bininta natin yung oras sa iba? 'Di ba? That's source number 1. It's a linear type of income. If we stop working, we stop earning. 'Di ba? So pangalawang source, ito yung money making number 2 is skills. Ibinta mo yung skills meron ka. Okay, kung mayroon kang skills, pwede mo ibinta yan at like 500 pesos per hour. No? Ano ba yung example sa skills? Kung ikaw ay isang lawyer, no? Kung lawyer ka is may skills ka. Kung doktor ka, may skills ka, piloto ka, may skills ka. Sobrang laki ng kita ng mga skilled, may mga skilled na mga magandang skills na mga tao like pilots or mga engineers or mga professionals. Pero again, kung gusto natin yung time and financial independence doon, medyo mahirap kasi it's a linear type of income. Kailangan nating magtrabaho day after day, no? Para kumita ng malaki. And if we stop working, we stop earning. 'Di ba? So, pangatlong source of income is yung money leverage. Money leverage. Ito yung pang third source of income is money leverage is we use money to make money. In other words, investment, 'di ba? Investment 'to. So, saan ba natin ilagay yung pera natin para mag-generate ng pera? Okay? Money begets money. So, this is another term is investment. So, very common form of investment is yung stocks. Mga bonds, bili tayo ng stocks of mga malaking corporation like PLDT, no? Bili tayo ng government bonds or sumali tayo sa mga insurance na nag-offer ng guaranteed return on investment. Pwede tayong sumali pwede tayong mag-put up doon sa mga cooperative. Pwede tayong ano ba, yung gusto nating gamit basta lahat ng mga money, mixed money or investment, yun po yung money leverage. Ang problema lang dito sa investment, guys, may risgo. There is always a risk, no? May risgo yan. Kung mabagsak yung mga stocks value, bagsak din yung kita mo. And kailangan mo talaga ng skills dito sa investment. And kailangan ng malaking pera para magkaroon ka rin malaking kita. Kasi kung nag-invest ka lang ng $100 or 5,000, ilang taon kayo magkaipon ka ng 1 million or 10 million sa bank. 'Di ba? So this is a game of the rich, itong money leverage. Kung sa atin gawin natin 'to, mas malaki yung risgo natin. Number 4 is yung people's leverage. Okay? People's leverage. Mean to say, if you hire someone to do the work for you, that is people's leverage. Ang ginawa kadalasan ng mga big time companies, no? Yung mga top 500 corporations in the Philippines or in the whole world is people's leverage. They hire people Now, very good example. Kadalasan ginamit natin na example is si Henry C. Di ba? It's a people's business kasi ang daming mga institutions na sinit up ni Henry C. Like for example, BDO or kahit anong mga companies, no? Tao 'yan. So, Henry C. is not hiring a single person na hindi niya kayang kumita. 'Di ba? See for example, si Henry C. mayroon 10,000. I think 5 years ago, balita ko may more than 10,000 empleyado si Henry C. No? So halimbawa kung may 10,000 may 10,000 employees ka. No, again, it is not possible for a businessman to hire someone na wala siyang kita in return. So say for example, may kita siya na 100 pesos lang per day per people. Di ba? Magkano kita niya? That's 1 million per day. Di ba? 1 million per day ang kikitain ni Henry C. If mayroon siyang 10,000 people working for him. Ito yung pinaka-safe na type of leverage, itong people's leverage. Pwede tayong kumita ng malaki kahit tayo ay hindi na mag-work. So guys, itong pag-usapan natin tonight is about people's leverage. Dito tayo nakatutok. No? This is a business pero yung negosyo natin tao. No, that's why we have to share this to a lot of people in order to build an organization para magkaroon din tayo ng malaking kita, passive income na pwede natin ma-build up 2 to 3 years from now. 'Di ba? So it's okay lang kung yung kita natin ngayon nasa money making 1. If we are employed, that's okay. Ang importante mayroon tayong ginawang negosyo. Yung people's leverage business. Kasi kung doon tayo sa mga traditional business, problema tayo dyan. Okay? Malaki din yung risko dyan because of the competition and the capital needed. Okay? So, mamaya makita natin yung connection sa business natin versus this people's leverage. By the way, no, my name is Romel Jaime, no? I'm a licensed electronics and communications engineer. I was working for a company 14 years and after that, naging converted tayo, naging marketing man, pumasok sa affiliate marketing industry or network marketing industry. But in 2027, I also stopped network marketing because di ko na naintindihan ano nangyari sa network marketing industry. So in 2016, sumali po tayo sa dropshipping business. Doon nakita natin yung talagang potential in dropshipping business. But when pandemic hit the entire world, so natamaan din yung dropshipping business natin. Buti na lang, no? In 2023, pumasok si LiveGood. At least nabigyan tayo ng bagong pag-asa, guys, no? So kaya nga doon sa YouTube channel natin, it's time to make a change. Yun po yung mantra natin, guys. But this is not about me, no? Discussion natin for tonight is not about me, but it's about the business. It's a people's leverage business na nasabi ko na kanina, if seryoso tayo, madaling kunin yung 50,000 a month in 4 to 1 year from now at kaya nating i-build yung retirement income natin or passive income natin sa business na to because this is a people's business. It's a leverage business and this is a very promising business. Si LiveGood. Guys, sa totoo lang without bias, wala na akong nakitang company ngayon na pwede nating gawin, no? Seriously, na hindi magbibigay sa atin ng serious result or serious income. Kung hindi natin to seryosohin, kahit maganda pang potential ni LiveGood, parang wala na rin mangyari sa atin. So this is a very good company, malaki yung potential, but kailangan din natin trabahoin, no? Kahit 2 to 3 years from now. So, what is LiveGood? No? What is LiveGood? So, LiveGood started in December 2022 in the USA. To be exact, that's December 13, guys. In January of 2023, pumasok si Coach Fernan sa Pilipinas. And then in 2024, this year lang, na-hit natin yung 1 million members. No? We are the first company, membership-based company to hit 1 million members in 13 months. No? And ang goal ng company in this year is to become a household name in the US. Okay? That's a target. No? And our goal is 3 million members. And next year, 2025, the goal for Live Good in the whole world is magiging global household name with at least 10 million members worldwide. Okay? So, that's the track record. Ito yung mga corporate team natin, guys. More than 50 years of combined experience. If you're interested, pwede natin ito ma-search tong apat na to. No, yung piloto nila si CEO Ben Glinsky, no? So the Elon Musk of network marketing, no? Napaka-simple na mga tao nito. They are committed to helping all of us, no? Especially the small guy, no? Tayo na talagang kumita at matupad yung mga pangarap natin sa company that they started, no? So what is Live Good? Napaka-simple, guys. Kung may magtanong sa atin o sa inyo, ano ba yung Live Good? Napaka-simple ang company natin, no? Live Good is a membership club that pays. Yun lang. Okay? Live Good is a membership club that pays. We are not a crypto company, we are not a food supplement company, we are not a gadget company, we are not a travel company, but we are a membership club. Na anong sabihin kung membership club tayo? Kahit anong produkto, ma-health supplement man, ma-gadget man, ma-travel man, ma-crypto man, pwede nating ilagay sa club. Di ba? Walang limit, no? Kaya once you fully understand, no, sa concept natin, talang you will be amazed. Mas lalo po tayo hindi makatulog sa concept na to, no? It's a membership club. So siguro para di tayo makatulog or baka inantok yung iba, I will ask you a question. Bakit ba ang mga tao ay sumasali sa isang membership club company like Landers? Sa Pilipinas, Landers, ECNR, in the US, Costco, Sam's Club, meron pa mga digital nga mga membership club based, Netflix, YouTube, Disney Premium, Amazon. Okay? So, baka may makasagot dito. Participate tayo, guys, para di tayo makatulog. Okay? So, ano sa palagay natin, no? Ang dahilan bakit tayo ay nagjo-join, nagmi-member sa mga membership club like sa Pilipinas Landers. Sabi ni Coach DC, to enjoy discounts, tama. 'Di ba? To enjoy discount. So, frankly speaking or technically speaking, the reason why sumali tayo sa mga ganitong company, membership club company, is para ma-enjoy natin yung mga discount or we want to save money. Okay? We want to save money. 'Di ba? 'Yun. Ito yung ano natin, ito yung habol natin, 'di ba? Kung tayo ay mamalingki or may gusto tayong bilhin, 'di ba? Magtatanong tayo, wala ba kayong promo, wala ba kayong discount? 'Di ba? Pwede ba makatawad ng ganito, 'di ba? Kasi we want to ano kasi yung hard-earned money natin kailangan magamit natin, ma-maximize natin. 'Di ba? So, yeah, avail discount, avail freebies, incentives. So in short, we want to save. Members ako ng Landers, ECNR. Okay? Makuha ko na benefit sa Landers, ECNR, kahit wala akong bilhin doon sa store, is free parking. Libre yung parking doon sa SM, 30 pesos per entry. Sa Ayala, 35 pesos per entry. Di ba? Pero sa Landers at saka ECNR, libre parking doon. Di ba? Pero guys, kung gusto kayong bumili ng mga local items doon sa ECNR and Landers, mas mahal yun ha. Mas makamura lang tayo doon sa Landers at saka ECNR kung bibili tayo ng mga imported items, no? Pero kung mga locally made items, mas mahal doon sa Landers at ECNR. Di ba? So, yun, Netflix. Netflix is a subscription, but parang membership club din to. Guys, alam nyo ba na in 2022 yata, Netflix has produced 450 movie production. And the cost per movie is $38 million. Di ba? So $38 million times 450, magkanong ginasto ni Netflix, no? In 2022. That's $17 billion. Di ba 17 billion? Ang question is paano nagawa ni Netflix yan? Na gumawa in 1 year na 450 movie productions and series at $38 million yung cost per movie or per series. Di ba? So, ang sagot, bakit kaya nilang gumawa ng ganong karaming mga movies? Kasi they have 200 million members. Sa 200 million members, guys, so 200, sabihin natin, 200 million members times $10 per month, that's billion din yung kinikita ni Netflix diyan. So yung concept ni Netflix, it's just a membership club like or pooling. So ang mga 200 million members nagbabayad ng $10 per month, no? Okay? Nag-ambag tayo ng $10 per month para gamitin ni Netflix makabuo ng magandang movie production, maraming movie production para saan? Para sa cinema, no? No, para sa mga members niya. Actually, we are operating under the same concept. Dito din sa Live Good, we are pooling tayo mga members, nag-contribute tayo, no? A very little amount each month, no? Para maka-build ng massive buying power, makagawa ng magandang product para ibalik sa ating mga members, no? That's the concept of membership club. That's the concept of subscription. Kaya this is a trend now. Membership club is a global trend. Ang daming mga companies na nagfa-follow na sa membership club. Okay? And that is what Live Good is. Okay? So, bakit pa tinatawag si Live Good na a membership club that pays? Kasi we are not using the traditional marketing method to spread the membership club. Like for example, Landers is in our Costco, Sam's Club, Netflix. They are directly marketing. Gumagamit sila ng mga endorsers, gumagamit na sila ng social media to advertise their business, to advertise their membership. But napakaswerte natin na Live Good is not doing that. No? Tayong mga member mismo ang ginamit ni Live Good to spread the word out, to spread the membership club of Live Good. And since tayo yung nag-promote ni Live Good, we are the one getting paid. Di ba? So instead mag-hire pa sila ng endorser, instead mag-advertise pa sila doon sa mga mainstream media, tayo na lang gumawa noon. Ang kagandahan, guys, we are given huge compensation. So, kaya Live Good is a membership club that pays. No? Ginamit lang natin yung network business model to spread this awesome club. But guys, don't worry. Baka matakot tayo about network marketing. Okay? Gusto ko lang ipaliwanag sa lahat na network marketing is not a scam. Network marketing is a marketing method. It's a word of mouth marketing or it's a referral method. No? Hindi scam yung network marketing, guys. Ang scam is the owner of the company using the network marketing. It's the company or the founder is the scammer. But network marketing is just a marketing method. Pwede gamitin itong network marketing pag-spread ng bad news, pag-spread ng mga scam company, or pag-spread ng magandang balita. No? Even Christianity was spread through network marketing. And dito din sa Live Good, we are using network marketing model to spread this membership club. So I hope na natin naintindihan natin. And this is our vision, guys. ito yung direction ng company, no? Live Good will be the will become the Amazon of network marketing. Okay? So sino ba si Amazon, no? Ito yung pina-follow natin na landas. Kasi Live Good started, Amazon started selling books in 1995. Mga libro lang binibenta ni Amazon in 1995, but look at that. Look at them ngayon. Si Amazon ay almost all product ay bininta na ni Amazon. And dito sa Live Good, guys, no? In 2022, we started with the best precision nutritional grade supplement product. Kasi yun po yung expertise ng mga founder. But soon, no, we will add any products and services from other industries like travel, crypto, household, health and beauty, solars, and many more. Kasi we are a club membership company. Di ba? Kahit anong product pwede natin lagay doon. Di ba? And our mission for the first few years is ito. Kasi ang mga product natin ngayon is nasa supplement category pa. And that is why yung mission natin in the first few years is to help people get healthy, stay healthy without having to spend a fortune. Kaya sa panahon ngayon, kailangan talaga natin yung mga supplements. And the best supplements in the world ay yung mga manufactured from the US. Di ba? Ang problema lang sa mga USA manufactured supplements, sobrang mahal. Okay? High quality but sobrang mahal. But sa Live Good, no, ginawa ng paraan yan. Lahat ng mga product natin ay sobrang quality but close to cost or close to factory price. So, guys, ito na yung value. Once you become a member ni Live Good, ito na yung value na makukuha natin, no? We can enjoy all this, no? Certified by GMP, USDA, organic products, no? Na meron pang kasamang 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee na if you're not satisfied with the product, within 90 days, pwede mong isa-uli yan. You'll get a full refund sa pera mo. No? Ganon kaganda yung mga produkto natin. Okay? So again bigyan ko lang yung connection. We are a club membership kasi nag-offer tayo ng value. Ang ino-offer natin na value dito is high quality product at close to factory price. Yun po yung value na makukuha natin dito sa Live Good. Savings of around 75%, no? Yung savings natin dito. And then lahat ng mga product natin is napaka-potent. It was manufactured under all the sciences, no? Science behind with clinical studies, no? And then lahat ng mga product natin ay with certificate of analysis. That is the proof of purity. Na yung tipong nag-take ka ng supplement natin na hindi ka kakabahan, baka mayroong steroids na kalagay dito. Okay? Tayo lang yung company nagpapakita ng proof of purity ng certificate of analysis. Kasi we are leading this industry, no? This membership club sa supplement as a start. So, products natin, I will not discuss our product one by one kasi maabutan tayo ng isang araw to discuss. Okay, we have this amazing new product, guys, called Lean. Lean is more than a weight loss product, is a more than a weight management product. It is actually called body composition improved formula. If you really want to lose weight pero may muscle ka, Lean is for you. Kaya guys, nag-order din tayo dito. So, it attacks the 4 areas, no? Increased metabolism, it burns fat, it promotes eating less, it supports the immune system. Kompleto sa Ricardo's ito, guys. Kaya ang daling, ngayon may limit. If you order now, may limit 1 bottle per person. Kasi ang daming order nito, guys. Gusto ni Ben na madami yung maka-purchase nito sa simula. No, this is one of, for me, ito yung talagang isa sa mga product na explosive ni Live Good. And take note, guys, one product ni Live Good is equivalent to one network marketing company. Okay, again, one product is equivalent to one network marketing company. If we have more product, need to see, grabe, ng business potential natin. So I will not elaborate, no. It's our product, ipakita ko lang ito yung value natin na makukuha, di ba? So if for example, yung ano natin, yung lean natin is only $19.95 lang. If you buy this from other sources, lesser quality, mas higher price pa. Savings natin is dito is mga 70%. Can you imagine that? By becoming a member ni Live Good, you can enjoy high quality product, makasave ka pa ng more than 70%, di ba? Next is meron tayong super grades. Ito naman guys is for total immunity, no? Super grades natin is $18 members price, save tayo ng 70% compared to other product na lesser pa yung quality. Ang dami guys, no? Ang dami. So I encourage everyone, yung mga guests natin, to look at the products sa website natin. If you are not a member yet, pwede kayong magtanong sa mga sponsor nyo, please send your website para gusto kong i-study yung mga product nyo. Grabe guys, look at this. Yung ano natin, yung multivitamins natin, $9.95 lang, organic, 60 capsules na. So vitamin D3 with keto natin, $8.5 lang, 60 capsules na. Magnesium, it is good for sa magandang pagkatulog, and also it helps protect our heart, guys, no? Magnesium, $8.95 lang, no? Lahat na ito ay mga organic products, no? Meron pa tayo international pack, no? Ito, free shipping ito, international. And then we also have this one, no? If you have experience using essential oil, guys, yung atin is one of the best, no? Highest quality products, essential oil at a price na you can save more than 75% dito. Okay? So, grabe, no? I will not discuss ni maubos yung oras natin. Ang sa akin lang is spend time to study our product. And again, if you're not a member yet, you can ask your sponsor's website about our product, no? Guys, ito na yung tinatawag ni Ben, ni CEO Ben, na we need to address the sick care model. So dapat nating educate yung mga tao sa ganda, high quality ng product natin, at saka napaka-affordable na price. Okay, so ito malapit na rin itong guys, maging available sa atin yung vitamins for children, yung gummy. No, how can you imagine na yung mga kids natin ay pwede natin mabigyan, mapatikim sa kanila yung one of the best vitamins for children in the planet sa presyong sobrang baba talaga. Okay? So, that's the value for now. That's the value ang ma-offer natin sa lahat ng mga members. Okay? So, more than the membership na binabayaran natin every month. So, bakit tinatawag si LiveGood the future of commerce? LiveGood is called the future of commerce. It's because number one, no, yung pera natin, we invest more on the ingredients. So, ibang company, yung income ng company ay nilagay sa compensation plan, no? Ginawang mas maliit yung content ng product para maging mura. Yung sa atin, we invest more on the ingredients, product quality, purity, and potency. Kaya yung product natin ay superior in quality. And lahat ng mga produkto natin walang markup para sa kumplan. Kasi walang kumplan yung product natin. Kaya napakamura. So, dito ko lang nalaman sa LiveGood na ang totoong dahilan bakit mahal yung mga product sa ibang company na made in the US, it's because may markup dyan sa compensation, sa marketing plan. But dito, sa LiveGood, walang markup tayo. Yung kumplan natin, no, wala tayong kumplan doon sa product. Kaya tinatawag tayo na the future of commerce. Kasi iba yung ginawa natin eh. And kaya tinatawag tayo na the club membership that pays, no? Napaka-exciting yung business opportunity natin. So as you can see sa screen natin dito, this is just a comparison sa mga membership club or subscription companies in the whole world na sikat like si YouTube Pro, Amazon Prime. Si Amazon Prime ay yung subscription niya is $14.99 per month. Ang benefit or value na makuha natin dito is libre shipping kung bibili tayo from the Amazon. Okay? Netflix naman is $9.95 per month. Ang value makuha natin is unlimited or panood sawa doon sa mga movies and ano ni Netflix, mga series, no? Dito naman sa Live Good, guys, ang makuha natin dito sa $9.95 monthly membership is yung napaka high quality at close to factory price na product. Grabe yung value makakuha natin kasi we are helped, no? Ang objective ni Live Good na maka-experience tayo, makatikim tayo, gumamit tayo ng mga high quality product at affordable price. Di ba? So, yun. So, magkano naman yung membership ni Live Good? Okay. So, ang membership ni Live Good na napakita din natin kayo saglit, no? It's only $9.95 per month. Okay, that's around 600 pesos per month kasi nagmahal yung dollar, di ba? So, 600 pesos per month, no? But if you have extra money, guys, go for 1-year subscription. 1-year subscription, you can save 20%. So, nasa $99.95 lang per year. So, again, ano yung makuha natin dito sa $9.95 per month na subscription? Is yung access sa product. Access sa product. Makabili tayo ng mga high quality product at close to factory cost. Yun yung value na makuha natin sa $9.95 per month. Isang product lang bilhin natin per month, sobrang bawi na tayo sa $9.95. But guys, if you want to make money, no, aside from availing product at factory price, kung gusto kayong kumita, mag-add lang kayo ng one time $40. One time lang tong $40. No? Napaka-affordable, but if you want business, ang importante is nasa $9.95. Wala naman sigurong tao na hindi maka-afford ng $9.95 na business. Di ba? If you cannot afford this, anong klaseng negosyo pwede natin na ma-afford? Di ba? But again, sa sinabi ko na kanina, kaya nating kumita dito ng 50,000 a month in 4 months to 1 year kung seryosohin natin to just like a real business. So, magkano yung total natin babayaran? If we want to become an affiliate, nasa $49.95 lang. Okay? And ngayon, nagmahal. So, zero, allocate lang kayo ng 3,000. Okay? So, kasi nagmahal yung dollar, so 3,000. So, 3,000, pwede kayo mag-start at 3,000. Pero take note, ang importante dito is yung monthly subscription. Okay? Monthly subscription. Proceed. Okay. Dito naman tayo, bakit tinatawag si Live Good na club membership that pays? So, kanina na-explain na natin yung value. Ang value na makukuha natin sa pagiging member ni Live Good is grabe. Health, protection, no? Longevity. Yung makuha natin na value by becoming a member. But ngayon, sa second part, kitaan naman. So again, bakit ba tayo kikita sa Live Good? Bakit Live Good is a club membership that pays? Kasi nasabi ko na kanina, Live Good is using the network marketing model to spread the good news. So word of mouth, yung gagamitin natin dito pagparami ng membership club. So saan galing yung negosyo natin? Guys, unlike typical network marketing na yung income natin, income ni upline, doon naka-base sa product, tangible product. Okay? Sa atin hindi. Kasi yung sa mga typical or traditional network marketing, kaya nagmahal yung product nila, maganda yung quality, pero mahal yung product because of the compensation plan. Biro mo guys, ang cost 1,000 pesos, ibinta sa atin at 5,000 to 10,000 pesos. Kasi binabayaran si upline, may travel allocation, may car allowance allocation. Kaya nagmahal yung product. Sa Live Good kaya mura kasi wala tayong allocation doon. But my question is, saan galing yung negosyo ni Live Good? Natin, income natin. Dito sa subscription. Dapat nating maintindihan na dito sa subscription galing yung income natin. Kaya napakahalaga ng subscription. If you want to join Live Good, kung kayo ay mga affiliate na ni Live Good, since yung business natin ay subscription, huwag kayong bibitiw sa subscription. Di ba? Very simple. Bakit takot kayo sa subscription? Ito naman nagbigay sa atin ng passive income. Si Netflix nga, no? Hindi naman nagbibigay sa atin balik na subscription binabayad natin. Pero sa Live Good, grabe. Grabe guys, more than. Mamaya sabihin ko magkano yung ibinibalik sa atin yung subscription sales ni Live Good. So gusto ko lang I want to make this clear na ang kita natin dito galing sa subscription. At if you want to become an affiliate member ni Live Good, subscription is a must. No? Kung may pangarap kayo and then alanganin kayo sa monthly subscription, pag-isipan nyo. But for me, if you want to become an affiliate, gusto kang kumita, may goal ka, may mga pangarap ka sa buhay mo, hindi yan matutupad kung on and off ka sa subscription. So ngayon pa lang, kung ikay gustong sumali sa Live Good, subscription is a must. Kung on and off yung subscription mo, for me, you will not become successful dito. Kasi tiningnan mo yung subscription as a liability. Hindi mo tiningnan si subscription as an asset. Guys, sa akin, I am maintaining 10 subscription per month. I am operating more 10 business per month. Gusto kong ang dagdagan eh. Gusto kong yung mga kapitbahay ko, isama ko na para sa business na to. No? So, sa mga affiliate nandito ngayon din, don't be afraid about subscription. Doon manggagaling yung freedom natin, guys. Di ba? Yun. So, gano'n naman kalaki yung subscription? Malapit na tayong matapos. I will not discuss the complaint in details. Okay? So, pakita ko lang. Ang kita ni Landers subscription in 1 year is $280 million. Ang kita ni SNR sa subscription is $1.4 billion. Ang kita ni Costco per year sa subscription is 413 billion pesos pala. Sorry this is in piso. Sa Sam's Club, 263 billion peso. Sa Netflix, 1.56 trillion. Grabe. Trillion yung kita ni Netflix every year sa subscription. Si Disney Plus, 310 billion. Si YouTube Pro, 242 billion. Si Amazon Prime, nagkabulol-bulol tayo, 1.62 trillion. Si Zoom, itong ginamit natin dito, 245 billion pesos per year. Ang tanong, sinong gumagamit ng Zoom, Netflix, Costco, Sam's Club, SNR Landers? May binabalik ba? Kahit yung buong kamag-anak mo ay naging members sa itong mga company, may binabayad ba? May binigay ba si natin, si Landers, SNR, Netflix? Wala. Diba? Kasi they are not using the network marketing business model to spread the membership. Kaya napakaswerte natin, guys, na Live Good chooses network marketing model to spread the membership. Okay? So, i-total natin yan. Yung mga company na yan. Di ba? So, yon. These companies, itong mga company na to, like Landers, no? Silang lahat, nasa left side, yung kita nila sa isang taon ay nasa $83 billion per year or 4.6 trillion pesos per year. Pero kahit kusing, walang binabalik sa mga members. Di ba? Kasi iba yung model nila. Iba yung marketing model nila. They are using the mainstream media, endorser, even doing direct marketing. Pero sa atin, guys, network marketing model, Marites system yung ginagamit natin. Chika yung chika-chika yung system natin. Share-share yung system natin. Kaya we are paid back. Ang kaganda, 80%. 80% ng subscription sales ni Libgood ay binabalik sa mga affiliate niya based on performance. 80% guys. Kaya ako grabe. Libgood will surpass all these companies in the future. And if you are building this business right now, grabe. Walang pangarap kahit isama po ang pangarap na mga kapatid mo or kapitbahay mo pwedeng matupad pag tinatrabaho mo itong business seriously. What I mean by tatrabahoin, grabe, yung mapapagod ka talaga. Are you willing to sacrifice for 3 years and enjoy the rest of your life? Or di ka magsakripisyo for the rest of your life pagka magsakripisyo? And then, blame tayo ng blame sa government, sa ibang tao. Hindi tayo masinso. Ito na yung opportunity natin. At guys, let me remind you, Live Good is opportunity. Yung window, yung best shot natin, 3 years lang from now, After 3 years, siguro mahirapan na tayong mag-build to become a diamond dito. Nasa perfect timing na tayo. So, don't procrastinate. Ito na yung siguro the best chance natin na maging successful, no, with Live Good. Okay, so 80% yung binabalik ni Live Good sa lahat ng mga affiliate niya based on performance through a refer member program or network marketing system. Okay, so again, ulitin ko po, network marketing is not a scam. The company is a scam. No? Or the founder, kasi design yan eh. Design yan sa mga may-ari na mang-scam talaga. At ginagamit yung network marketing to spread the scam. Okay? So, ayun, naintindihan natin. So, ito na yung 7 ways to earn ni Live Good, guys. Kasi sabi ko na kanina, 80% ay binalik sa mga affiliate based on performance. And we have 7 ways to earn. Meron tayong fast start bonus, matrix commission, matching bonus, meron tayong profit sharing, meron tayong drop shipping commission. I will just touch siguro mga 4. Ilan lang i-touch ko? Kasi kahit hindi po ba, guys, you don't need to master the Complan. You just swim. Trabahuin mo lang. No? Trabahuin mo lang. Magtrabaho ka lang, kikita ka talaga. So, yun. As an example lang sa kitaan, yung tinatawag natin na quick money, yung weekly fast start, if you can refer someone na magiging affiliate, may kita ka na $25 direct commission. So, $25 each unlimited. So, if you can refer 10, meron kang $250. Di ba? Kung weekly maka-refer ka ng 10, meron kang weekly na $250. Ang kagandahan dito, if meron kang rank, may bronze, naging bronze ka, yung referral ng referral mo, may kita ka. Tinatawag natin yan na second generation. Kung silver yung rank mo, up to third generation. Kung diamond yung rank mo, hanggang 10 generation. So again, it's just, pinakita ko lang na yung weekly fast start is not limited sa mga direct natin. Pwede siya hanggang 10th level. So, yun po tinatawag natin na people's leverage. Di ba? Naalala nyo kanina, business natin is people's business. Kailangan natin mag-invite, i-share yung club membership sa lahat ng mga tao. And then yung mga gustong mag-affiliate, if they also share the business, no, meron tayong kita, leverage income up to 10th generation. But again, you don't need to master. Pwede kayo mag-attend sa master class natin about the compensation plan. Ang importante lang dito, once you can refer, meron kang $25 each, unlimited, and yung referral mo ay mag-refer, mayroon ka rin kita up to 10th generation, provided mayroon kang rank. Okay? So again, this is weekly. Kung gusto mo yung kitaan na every week, dito ka sa weekly fast start. At pangalawa, meron tayong tinatawag na matrix commission. Yung matrix commission, guys, this is what I call passive income. Okay? Passive income to eh. Kasi lahat ng mga lahat ng mga subscribers, lahat ng mga members na nagbayad ng monthly subscription, mayroong matrix commission. Okay, mayroong matrix position. Now, I want to emphasize na itong matrix genealogy ay hindi ito fix. Bigyan ka lang ng matrix position kung ikaw ay nagbabayad ng monthly subscription. Kung hindi ka nagbayad ng monthly subscription, for that month wala kang matrix position. Kasi yung matrix natin ay hindi siya fixed. This is dynamic. Ang mga members lang na nagbabayad ng membership monthly ay mayroong matrix position. Kung meron kang position sa matrix, for example, ikaw to, dili yung mouse ko. Kung ikaw tong nasa una, okay? So 2 by 15 yung business natin. Ibig sabihin 2 by 15, dalawa lang ang pwede makonect. So kung dalawa lang pwede makonect sa'yo, if you sponsor more people, yung iba, ilagay yan sa ilalim. Kasi hindi pwede sa matrix na tatlo yung makonect sa isang tao. So dalawa lang. If you refer more than two, maging yan, ilagay yan sa baba. Ang kagandahan ng matrix, as long as mayroon kang subscriber sa ilalim mo, may kita ka na $0.25 per month each. Okay? It doesn't matter kung sino yung sponsor. Ikaw or hindi, basta under sa matrix mo, mayroon kang $0.25 per month. Kaya guys, napaka-importante ng matrix position kung ang gusto mo ay kumita ng passive income 3 to 5 years from now. Na kung alam mo na kung wala ka palang matrix position, kung hindi ka nagbabayad ng matrix, di ka ba kakabahan guys? Di ka ba kakabahan na sayang, nawala yung position ko sa matrix? Kasi once hindi ka nakapagbayad this month, next month nagbayad ka ulit, iba na yung position mo. Posible ka na sa ilalim. Diba kung palagi kang ganon, every this month nagbabayad, next month hindi nagbabayad. Okay? So, in 2 years time, 3 years time, yung position mo ng matrix ay hindi fixed. So, ibig sabihin, you cannot build an organization sa matrix kung yun po yung attitude mo. Kaya, going back to the presentation natin, ang negosyo natin is subscription. If you want to become an affiliate kasi gusto mong kumita, dapat mag-decide ka na once you become an affiliate, you will not miss the subscription. Kung gusto mo, bayaran mo na 2 years in advance yung subscription. Okay? Matrix commission is a passive and tawag natin yung retirement income. Again, if you want to become if seryoso ka sa business, ito yung first commitment mo. In fact, tinatawag ko itong to become successful sa Live Good, 50% paying monthly your subscription, another 50% is by taking action. Ganun kasimple lang. Okay? Pero kung habol mo is product lang, member ka na lang, huwag ka na lang mag-affiliate. Diba? And then, kung excited ka sa wealth generating income, dito na sa matching bonus. Matching bonus sa wealth generating income. Ito na yung grabe guys. Passive and income, wealth generating income. So matching bonus is naka-base yan sa matrix commission. But how matching bonus work? Paano ba compute yung matching bonus? Simple lang. 50%. Okay? 50% ng matrix income sa lahat ng direct mo ay kita mo. Okay? So say for example, mayroon kang 5 direct na may kita na $500 per month sa matrix. So 500 times 5, that's 2,500. Meron kang 50% of that, meron kang 1 to 50. Guys, dito ang sekreto sa Live Good if you want to earn big dito sa matching bonus. Ang requirement is you need to refer. Mag-refer ka na mag-refer. Ang kagandahan ng matching bonus is not limited to first generation hanggang 5th generation ito, depende sa ranggo. Diba? And yung pang-apat guys is patapos na tayo. Pang-apat is profit sharing. If you want to hit, kung maging diamond ka, profit sharing income na to. 2% sa sales ng company ay paghati-hatian sa lahat ng mag-diamond. Crown Diamond, another 0.5%. Profit sharing na income na to. Okay, so discuss natin saglit yung rank requirement. If you want to become a bronze, dalawang direct lang, bronze ka na. Silver, ang importante dito yung Timo 20, gold 100 yung Timo, platinum 500, diamond 2,500, crown diamond 50,000. So yun yung basic requirement. Okay? And example, no? Example sa income. Income to ni Tim Miller guys ha. Okay? So tingnan niyo income ni Tim Miller. Yung matrix income niya pang February 601, nagiging 900 sa March, naging 1,000 sa April, di ba? Medyo hindi masyadong malaki yung gap. But look at the matching bonus. Dito talaga sa matching bonus yung pira guys. Matching bonus from 6,000 naging 14,000, naging 24,000. Di ba? Yung yung silip natin sa July na kita ni Tim, yung matrix na sa 1 to lang. In November, that's 1.3. Pero guys, look at the matching bonus. $44,000 in July, $50,000 in November. And then yung Diamond Poll, naging 24,000 kasi Crown Diamond din si Tim Miller. Yung ito, yung 4 months total earning, sa apply natin to. Si Coach Fernan, 13 million in 4 months. So, but it's not our hindi porte natin papakita ng income. But income is really huge dito sa Live Good sa lahat ng mga affiliate na nagsiseryoso. So guys, ito lang sasabihin ko po, no? Grabe yung kitaan ni Live Good sa first year pa lang. No? How much more kung aabot tayo ng 10, 20, 30 million 2 to 3 years from now? Ilang affiliate kaya ang pwedeng kumita ng 1 million, 2 million, 3 million a month? But that does not happen by chance. Kailangan natin i-workout yan. Di ba? So, ang engine natin dito, fuel natin dito sa business na to, kahit gaano pa ito ka-easy gawin, kahit ano pa to ka-technology base, kung wala tayong dahilan, yung biggest, yung deepest why natin, kung wala yon, wala pa rin mangyayari. No? Sa mga hero natin, ng mga OFW, mga coaches natin, for me, no, yung compelling reason nila is makauwi dito sa Pilipinas. Yun po yung napakabigat na compelling reason dyan. No, more than travels, more than house and lot, more than cars, more than education, no? Is makauwi for good sa Pilipinas. Kung ikaw dito ka sa Pilipinas, ano ba yung compelling reason mo? Baka gusto mo mag-abroad para makita mo yung hirap doon and then mag-live good ka para makauwi sa Pilipinas. So guys, kung wala to, kahit gaano kaganda yung business papasukan natin, wala pa rin mangyayari. Kailangan nating i-determine to. No? Akin, klaro-klaro yung why ko dito sa live. Kaya no one can stop me. No one can stop us. Okay? No one can discourage me. Kasi hindi rin nakita sa mga tao yung nakita ko na potential. Okay? So guys, alamin natin yung deepest why mo and then silip good na yung daan, no, yung paraan paano natin matupad yung mga pangarap mo. Di na natin makuha itong mga ways paano the shortcut to our dreams is live good. No, guys, to be frank, to be honest, no other company in the world today, baka 5 years pa from now, na pwedeng magbigay sa atin ng katuparan sa lahat ng mga pangarap natin. Kung meron kayong makita na mas mahigit pa sa Live Good, na kayo ay nag-study, pwede nyo i-message sa akin, baka lilipat ako doon. But I've spent almost every day looking for better, at least prepared tayo, mas magandang opportunity pa kayo sa Live Good na anyone can do. Wala akong nakita, guys. Wala talaga. No? So, ito, rank versus income to eh. And yung gold, tinatawag ni COB na sweet spot, nasa $300 to $500 per month. If you want to go platinum, nasa $1,000 to $5,000 per month yan. Diamond is average $10,000 per month. Pero may mga bagong diamond like me, lower pa. Kasi nagbi-build pa tayo ng momentum. Di ba? Now, patapos na tayo, guys. Siguro, I'll just close my presentation with this. Ngayon, our present time. Kung ngayon, anong meron tayo ngayon, automatic yan. That's the result of our decision 3 years ago. Sigurado yan. What will be our life 3 years from now will be the result of our decision now. Kung kayo nandito ngayon, hindi pa kayo affiliate, this is your best chance na sumali na. Once you join, do not be lukewarm. Huwag kang parang lukewarm is hindi mainit, hindi naman malamig, di ba? Once lukewarm tayo sa business, guys, we cannot succeed. Once you join Live Good today, sagad mo na lahat, sacrifice na. Ano ba yung oras pwede mong ibigay dito? Isagad natin. Kasi nasabi ko na 3 years lang or 3 to 5 years lang yung best shot natin or window of opportunity natin na makuha natin yung mga pangarap natin with Live Good. Kasi Live Good, even if gaano ito kaganda ang company si Live Good, but 5 years from now, ang dami ng members ni Live Good. Sino ba yung ma-recruit natin, guys? The purpose of affiliate is to spread the good news. What if lahat ng mga tao membro na? Diba? Now, what if Netflix today? Si Netflix meron 200. Okay, so si Netflix meron ng 200 million members. If Netflix will open an affiliate, sabihin ni Netflix, okay, mag-open ako ng affiliate na $40. Okay? And once you can refer an affiliate or member ni Netflix, I will give you $25. And bigyan ko kayo ng $0.25 per month sa subscription nila. Siguro matutuwa tayo kasi may affiliate na si Netflix. Pero guys, yung potential, sino ba yung pwede pa natin ma-recruit sa Netflix? Marami pa siguro, pero yung ano ba, yung momentum, tapos na eh. Tapos na yung wave. Di ba? So ngayon, sa Live Good, nasa perfect timing tayo. Kaya nga, my question is, palagi itong sinasabi sa training natin, skills, 10%, attitude, 90%. But I will disagree with that. Kulang yan. Kahit sobrang galing mo, kahit sobrang open-minded mo, sobrang pagka-positive mo, kung wala sa timing yung business mo, maghihirap ka pa rin. Why? Bakit nasabi ko yan? Ginawa ko yan. Ginawa ko yan. Ginawa ko yan 5 years ago. More than 5 years ago. My skills, ang daling matutunan ng skills. Yung attitude, simple lang yung attitude. Be positive lang, di ba? Huwag ma-discourage. Pero again, that is not enough. Dapat may skills ka, may attitude ka, pero dapat yung company sinasalihan mo, nasa timing ka. Pero wag yung company nasa timing na mawala after 5 years Nasa timing ka ng isang company that might surpass Costco, Netflix, Amazon 5 years from now and will stay longer than them. Ang dami mga bagong company na sumusulpot ngayon. Iba nga is manonood lang ng video, kikita ka. Ay, kikita ka talaga. Kasi yung paraan nila pang-inganyo ng tao is dapat kang kumita para makipag-share ka na may kita talaga. Diba? timing. Kung may isang company ngayon na offeran ka, magbinta ka ng beeper, malaki yung sahod mo, do you think mag-survive yan? Ay naku, hindi. Guys, you are so lucky nandito kayo ngayon sa room. If you want to change your life, do this business now for the next 3 to 5 years. Kung affiliate member ka na dito, and then parang yung mga membro mo nalalagas na, ayaw na, wala tayong magawa dyan. Huwag kang magpadala. Kasi buhay mo, yung, yung gusto mong baguhin. Guys, no? Sa team ko at sa team natin lahat dito, ito yung sikreto talaga. Ito yung dahilan bakit maganda si Live Good. Aside from good product, nasa perfect timing tayo. And in the timing opportunity will not stay. Hindi yan magpo-post na hintayin kita, Coach Romel, kung kailan ka gagana magtrabaho. No, it will not stay. Every day, makukunan niyang araw, yung window of opportunity. Okay? So I don't believe na ang isang Pilipino ay hindi kayang maka-afford ng 600 pesos a month. Hindi lang nila naintindihan kung ano ang pwedeng maibigay ng subscription ni Live Good. What I suggest, promote the yearly membership club. Offer the monthly sa mga tao naghihirap talagang makasali. Pero kung may pera naman, suggest the yearly. 8,300 lang yun, 8,500, 1 year. 8,500 subscription, isama yung family, 3 account, nasa 25,000. Banat ka 1 year. Huwag kang mag-abang, ha? Banat. May business ba na mag-abang ka lang? Investment yun eh. Investment, pwede kang walang gawin. Mag-abang ka lang, pero yung risko malaki. Dito negosyo to, hindi to investment. Trabahoin natin to. Guys, so AppsB, no? So I think I'm done. Thank you so much. So kung mayroon kayong question, isang katanungan, pwede. Otherwise, ibalik ko na po kayo kay AppsB para sa closing.
Wow! Okay, so Live Good family, kumakain po ako ngayon. This is my almusal, may tanghalian, may hapunan. Okay po, all in one dahil ang mga tao kasi kung kailan cut off, saka talaga sila naghahabol. Kaya puyat din ang
Yes,
iyong
ma'am.
lingkod. So with this, no, I would like to say congratulations to Coach Romel, Live Good family na nanonood dito sa Zoom at saka sa live. This is one of the best presentation I heard. Sana po nanamnam po natin, balik-balikan niyo po itong presentation na to ni Coach Romel Jaime. Sa lahat ng mga leaders na nandito, this is an eye-opener na ulit-ulitin po natin. Kasi iba-iba po mga speaker, iba-iba po ng atake ng presentation. And I could say, this kind of presentation that we heard from our Diamond Romel Jaime is one na, alam niyo yon na, pag hindi pa natin naintindihan si Live Good, ewan ko na lang. Hindi na problema ng kapitbahay mo, hindi na problema ni Live Good. Ang may problema is tayo na mismo. Because we never guard ourselves properly to fully understand what is Live Good is all about. So, congrats to you, Coach Romel. So, announcement
Thank you.
lang lahat ng mga members na nandito. Ipakalit po natin to, no? We know for a fact that in the Philippines, the attrition is very, very high because we started with the wrong mindset. We started with the wrong informations. No blaming game. No blaming game. Andito po tayo to find a solution, and that is to correct the way we think. Because the number one thing is the mindset. Tama po yung sabi ni Coach Romel that the most important factor that we have to consider right now is the timing. Because Live Good 2.0 is here. Nag-aantay na po tayo ng announcement ni Sir Ben Glinsky. And we are given, Coach Romel, no? Binibigyan tayo ng 2 years. 2 years
Yes,
na window to become diamonds. At itong 2 years natin, dito natin ilagay yung pinaka-the best talaga natin. Excuse me po. Are you with me?
Yes po.
If yung next 2 years na to, na ibuhos natin yung lahat na meron tayo, ayusin natin, prepare ourselves to really to become the very, very best version of our own self. Kasi yung vehicle natin na si Live Good, it's perfect. Hindi man siya perfect, sabihin na lang natin, it is second to nothing. Wala ka makikitang ganitong company. Ako sobrang grateful ako. I am with you, Coach Romel. Nobody can stop me. Kahit lahat ng mga tao sa kasama ko, mag-stop kayo, but nobody can really stop me. Kasi yung nakita ko din talaga dito sa Live Good, same with you, Coach Romel, is crystal clear.
Yes.
Crystal clear. And I want to tell you guys na yung landing page na ni-launch last year, we've seen it last year, kinilig tayo dyan. Ako na in love nga po ako eh. Pero how much more ngayon, na sobra po akong na in love, and I know the same thing with you, na naglabas ng statement si Sir Ben Glinsky that what happened in the past was nothing but peanut. It was mani-mani. Wala yun. Kasi nag-trial and error tayo ng mga leaders. Nagkaroon tayo ng mga mali-mali na mga information. Ngayon, biktima ka ng maling information. Okay, ang kapaligiran natin we can never control. But we could only control ourselves, mga Live Good family. Sa mga baguhan dyan. Okay, I know if you're gonna search Live Good, ang dami nyo makikita dyan, positive, negative, nag-uumpukan. But life is what we make it. Life is based on our own choices. Ako, I have to be brutally frank and honest kasi ganun talaga eh. Ang dami ngayong mga nagsusulputan dyan na hindi kumita. Pero bakit hindi sila kumita? Because they never bother themselves to be part of the GPS. Yun yung pumatay sa kanila. Hindi sila nag-GPS, Coach Romel. So this one, panawagan ko na lang po sa lahat ng Live Good members. You want to become successful, consider the great timing. Prepare yourselves to be the best person that you want to be. Gather all your strength, gather your mindset, correct your mindset. Focus on working really saan tayo kulang. Mag-improve tayo as a leader, as an affiliate. And if you are just a neophytes and Live Good, think big. Ang dami pong nag-succeed ngayon sa Live Good. Sobrang dami pong mga nag-succeed. Ang dami pong nabigyan ng pag-asa. Huwag po tayong tumingin doon sa mga failure. Kasi life is a choice. Kanino ka sasama? Sa taong nag-succeed o sa tao na naging loser? So it's your choice. The Live Good is the vehicle given to us. Our task right now, mag-GPS po tayo. Observe, get in, plug in, stay in. Dahil pag hindi ka nag-plug in, hindi ka nag-a-attend ng Zoom, hindi ka nag-a-attend ng training, hindi ka nagpa-find ng way para ma-improve yung mindset mo, yung skill sets mo, you never bother plugging into the system. Tayo dito sa LGSEI, we have ample of master classes, so much enough for you to become empowered. Pero kung tayo mismo yung sarili, ang problema natin is sarili natin, it's so hard to deal with it. Ang kalaban na po natin dito, sarili na po natin. So with this, I hope that everybody is so excited with the Live Good 2.0. Ako, Coach Romel, sobrang kinikilig po ako dyan kasi lahat ng sinasabi ni CEO Ben Glinsky ay realistic, nagkakatotoo, attainable. Why?
Yes po.
Nag 1 million tayo in just a year. We spread out, we sent out $50 million na bond na payout last year. And then in the next 2 years, the profit sharing $10,000, hindi ba natin yung pagnanasaan? Would the $10,000 profit share on Diamond Pool change your life for the better?
Yes.
Of course, yes.
Yes.
And we are given this window of 2 years. Tayo sa LGSEI, naka-align po tayo because we have a program, the 90-day game plan, that we're gonna do it 6 times. 6 times to do it repeatedly on focusing, doing it correctly, and forget about the past. Kalimutan na po natin yon. It will sabotage us. Wag na po tayo mag-blaming game. Blaming game is not very, very useful. You are an affiliate member of Live Good, naglabas ka na ng $50, naglabas ka na ng monthly subscription mo, huminto ka, bumalik ka. Dahil yung 600 pesos mo buwan-buwan, hindi yan malaking kawalan sa'yo. Pero malaking kawalan pag hindi mo talaga inaral si Live Good. Are you with me, guys? Naghihirap tayo, ang dami nating iniiyak tayo, gusto natin ng pagbabago, pero ayaw nating baguhin yung sarili natin. Kaya walang pagbabagong nangyayari. Ano sabi ni Coach Romel? What you did in the past is what brought you right now. And what you're gonna do right now will determine your future. Time to make a change. Si Live Good nga, binago na eh. Binago na ni Live Good yung platform. We are a revolutionary company, a disruptor in this industry. Binago niya, tinanggal niya na ang pahirap. So wag na po nating pahirapan yung sarili natin to think negative thoughts because it will just destroy us. It will just sabotage us. May mga mali, no one is perfect. Lahat po tayo tao lang nagkakamali. Pero ang pakiusap ko po, nananawagan ako, yung mali, kinokorek, hindi po gina-justify. Yung mali, kinokorek, hindi po gina-justify. If we admit mistakes, that is a sign of humility. And once we start to become humble, then great things will happen to us because we empty ourselves to start from nothing, to be humble, and then start to grow and step up. So with that, no, sana po itong maisikong message ay makatulong po ito sa atin. This is May 1, first day of the month. Start thinking big, and congratulations to our powerful speaker for tonight for giving us a very, very crystal clear presentation, a very profound presentation na kung hihimay-himay yun, balikan nyo po uli itong presentation na to. Pakinggan nyo po uli. And I know it's really crystal clear to where you are heading in your life here in Live Good. So with that, thank you so much to everybody. Okay po, start thinking big. Everything na malaki, nag-umpisa po yan sa maliit. You will start with one person. But you can never know sino po yung mga tao na makukuha po ng kakilala mo. Hindi mo pa alam yung kakilala mo na yun yung palang makakakuha ng ibang bansa. Look at what is happening right now in Vietnam. Look what is happening right now in Vietnam. So what about ikaw ang nagpasabog sa Singapore, sa Malaysia, in some other countries? Start thinking big because everything, it boils down on the way we think. On the way we think. At yung thinking power natin is very, very powerful. Ngayon, isi-switch on mo lang yan to become positive. Kasi pag hindi mo yan ginawang positive, oh my God, saan tayo mapupunta? We've been praying to the Lord, Lord, bigyan niyo ako ng breakthrough in my life. It is right in front of you. Focus, focus, focus. The law of focuses, anything we focus on is what we get good at. Ako sobrang naniniwala ako, Coach Romel, sa focus.
Yes.
Kasi kahit anong galing po natin, pag wala po tayong focus, this kind of business commands leadership. People are watching us. They are following you. Kung wala kang focus, anong mangyayari sa grupo mo? Defocus din. This is my own standpoint. Pero I read it also from the top grade people, sa mga successful na tao. Because the law of focuses, anything you focus on is what you get good at. Focus on the right focus. And number 2, na-observe po natin, is the power of speed. The law of speed. Bilisan po natin because ang 2 years mabilis. Atong momentum stage natin, nasa momentum na po tayo. Coaches, Live Good family, to all our guests listening, tapos na ang formulation stage. We are now on the concentration stage. What kind of approach, what kind of person you want to be here in Live Good. And then after execution, then the momentum will really happen. And the momentum times, no, it will happen in the next 2 years. So set up yourself, get ready, prepare yourself to become diamond in the next 1 year to 2 years, okay? Build your empire, build your dynasty, be unstoppable, be unshakable, and see you all at the top. God bless.